it's here and it's here and it's I don't know. Yeah, so I am not a very flashy type of guy. I'm a very simple person, and I like when things are unique and simple but unique. What is going on, you guys? Hopefully you guys are all doing great. Today it's raining, and I actually started making this video before, but then I ended up having to stop because it was so loud in here, and I'm sure you guys can hear that, and that is just from a very light rain falling on the roof of the car. It is really loud. You can hear the thunder going as well. And now I'm talking about it and it's coming down even more. Yeah, so today I wanted to kind of make this quick video to talk about simple mods that you can do to your car to really add some nice cool look and features to the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys before the rain starts coming down. Wow, okay, so it's starting to come down a little bit harder, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. It's gonna be a short video. I'm just gonna show you guys simple mods that you can do to your car to really enhance the look of your car. And started out with this guy here, which a lot of people have been asking me about it. That is a Honda badge that I got for the seat. A lot of guys actually have been asking me about this. You know, where you get that from, and it looks really cool. There's one also in this. Okay, there's one in this seat as well. Yeah, quite a few people have been asking me, where do you get that? It looks really nice. You know, I had it in the 8th gen, and I decided to go back to the guy and see if he have any more of them, and you know, and pretty much got it for this car. The other thing that I got, this covering right here for my push to start. I think it looks really nice. It's got the Honda in there. You know, and pop it up, turn your car on, put it back down. I know it's simple and it doesn't really make sense to a lot of people, but you know, it's kind of like the Lamborghini have it though. You know, and all those high expensive car have it, and I just thought that it would be kind of cool to have it in my car. You know, no big deal. Some people might like it, some people might not, but you know, like I said, you know, it's simple things that you can do to really enhance the look of your car, and that was one of the things I decided to go with. You know, as soon as I saw it, I'm like, you know, that is gonna look nice in my car, so let me go ahead and purchase that. And so far so good. The other thing that I got was for my steering wheel, I got this carbon fiber, you know, nice little added feature to the steering wheel, which really enhanced it a little bit. See if I can show you guys it from a different angle. I wish it wasn't as dark. It's a little dark right now, so just trying to give you guys a different angle. It's not overdone. It's not overly done. It's simple, and but it does look unique. And I was thinking about getting the red badge for the Honda badge, but I'm like, you know what? That's probably gonna really stand out too much. So, or get the glassy black one, or you can get the carbon fiber as well. But like I said, guys, I want to keep it simple. I don't want it to be too much, you know, then it's gonna take away from it. The other thing that I got was this is the rear glass spoiler. I've got that. I haven't installed that yet, and that's been sitting in my car honestly over 3 weeks now. You know, can you see that? You can see how it's all bent up because it was actually sitting up there, and I just decided to take it down now and show it to you guys. It's all bent up, but yeah, so that I'm gonna install. And here's something that I got today. Now, this panel right here, I mean, it's all black, and I thought, you know what, wouldn't it be cool to get the carbon fiber covering for this as well? So what do you know, I went out and I purchased it. Well, actually I didn't went out and purchase it. I ordered it online. See if I can go ahead and pull it out of the bag. And okay, let me turn this up, see if I can shake it off. Wow, that was easy. Okay, so it's the same exact one as this, and you know, I really like it. My wife liked it as well, so that's good. And my wife is she's a very simple person. She doesn't get, she's not impressed that easily. So when she says she likes something, then I'm like, you know what? I take it as a compliment. So this, if I can just put it over it so you guys can see. So not sure you guys can. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that do you guys think that look good? It's pretty much gonna look like that. Now, if you have the automatic, of course I got the manual. I don't think it matters. I think they're just. I think it's just standard. When I ordered it, all I did was the year and model of the car, and I think it's just standards, right? Now the silver part here, you can actually cover that up because right here, it's got the. I'm not sure if I can open that. It's got the little carbon fiber part for that part of it as well. Also, if your car has the heated seat, then this is perfect. But if it doesn't, it has a covering as well. That I wish I could open that. Let me go ahead and open that up. Finally got it open, and so this will go like this. So if you want to cover that up, and then obviously the other one go on this side. Yeah, so that's gonna look like that. You guys can go ahead and let me know what you guys think. And this cost me, I believe it was $43. So if I can give you guys a good angle. Yeah, and like I said, actually, while I'm at it, I'm gonna have this painted red. I was trying to find a different shift knob, but I can't really find one that I like. So I'm thinking I'm gonna paint this, and that's gonna offset it. Which is gonna really complement the color. So anyways, guys, so you guys can tell me what you guys think. Do you like that? And these are simple mods, right? The one on the steering wheel cost me $21, I believe it was. This push to start cover cost me, I think it was $15. And this guy here, that cost me $43. And the seat badge, this cost me, I think it was like $10 or something like that. Oh yeah, one more thing that I didn't mention. This guy here. Now this is like a carbon fiber look. It's not carbon fiber. I'm not even sure what you call that. But yeah, that's the Honda. Oh man, can I angle this good? Yeah, so there you go. There you have it. Right. So what do you call this? I don't even remember. Anyways, you guys know what it's called. Yeah, so I kind of saw that and I like it. It's got a carbon fiber. It does have a carbon fiber look to it, but it's not carbon fiber. So I got that. And yeah, and that cost me $10. Okay. Anyways, guys, so those are simple things that you can do to your car to enhance the feature of your car. Oh wait, and there's one more thing. I got the Honda logo for the door as well. So when you open the door, the Honda logo shows in the ground. What do you call it? Projector. Like, yeah, it projects the Honda, the H on the ground. Not sure what you can see, but I'm gonna go ahead. See if I can open up the door. So there it is right there, and you can see the H. Oh yeah, and while I open up the door, there's something else that I want to mention. Yeah. So there. Oh yeah. So I got this guy as well. I mean, it's just something simple. Because of course, I mean, this is just like, it's just a simple panel. There's nothing there. So this kind of like just add a little feature to it. So there's my Honda projector emblem lighting for the ground. You can't see it right now. Can you see it? It's got blue. It's blue and white. You can't see it, but yeah. Oh man, look at that. Wow. What up my door? Yeah, so I'm gonna probably put a picture, to show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, so those are simple mods that you can do to your car. I'm trying to see if there's something else that I did, that I can point it to you guys. And of course, you got the LED lights, dome lights, and stuff like that. That I didn't do. I would have done it, but those came with the car, so I didn't have to do that. And yeah, so what do you guys think? Do you guys like that? Does it look good? Let's flip the camera. Yeah, do you guys like it? Does it look good? You guys can go ahead and let me know. Yeah, so, and this is full carbon fiber. I hope it is. Doesn't matter. I don't really care. It looks cool. I'm not sure if it's full carbon fiber. I don't know. It does say carbon fiber. But you know how it is nowadays. I mean, everything is all fake and knockoff and whatever it is. But it's all good. Now, I was actually thinking of getting it for that side as well. And getting it for here. Oh, wait. There's something else that I got. Man, I just keep finding stuff for this car. Yeah, this little Honda badge right here. The bolt came off. Oh, man. This used to be here. Wait, this used to be here, you guys. It's not even sticking. That used to be there. Just a little Honda badge. And it came off. Just give you a little close up. And that was like $5, right? So yeah, so little things that you can do. Wait a minute, you know what? Let me see if I put it here if it looks good. Would that look good there? Would that look good there? I don't know. Would that look good there? I wish I could just let it go. It's not sticking. Do you guys think that would look good there? Because I can probably, you know what? Just give me an idea. I'm not sure if it's going to look good there, but that's an idea. I never thought about that. But anyways. Yeah, I'm getting a little carried away. So anyways, guys, that's it for this short video. So hopefully I was able to, point out a few things that you guys can do, that you guys do like, that you can probably enhance your car. And like I said, I'm thinking of getting the carbon fiber for here as well. But I don't want it to be too much because it's here and it's here and it's I don't know. Yeah, so I am not a very flashy type of guy. I'm a very simple person, and I like when things are unique and simple, but unique. Well, that's it for this short video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I was able to help you guys to do little things to your car that's going to enhance the feature of the car, and make you feel better driving the car. These are simple mods, and it does require a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching the video. As always, go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.